Hello from OGS Mechanics workshop, where today we've got a Mercedes S-Class W222 chassis. Car came in complaining about a noise coming from the engine bay. This car is equipped with a new 2.9 diesel engine, OM656 engine. This is I think the second job that we have seen that a similar noise coming from the engine, and the noise is mainly heard into the inlet manifold. If we remove the inlet, the noise is more obvious. Now we have already stripped the injectors here from the top and rocker cover, and it's the same problem as we have noticed on the other one. Basically, if you look at the cams, they are extremely worn out. Several cylinders, and because of that, it's quite a loud noise into the inlet. The valves, they're not operating correct anymore, and they're causing a running noise even on the first cylinder. Yes, as we mentioned, we have seen this problem in the past, and as a cause of this, we probably suggest that it is mainly the lubrication. You know, so many times we said it is so important to have the service done very often. I mean, Mercedes is one of the manufacturers that they recommend a long life service interval, like 20,000 plus miles, 1,000 miles. But we suggest to be done a lot quicker. It could make a big difference in terms of reliability of the engine. So what we'll have to do on this car, quite an extensive repair. We have to replace, we're going to replace both camshafts, hydraulic lifters, rocker arms, of course an oil change. The problem should be solved, but again, we will recommend this customer to have the vehicle serviced more often. And like I said, we've seen this problem several times, so we know on those engines the camshaft, they are prone to wear quite quick, and they're causing running issues in terms of engine being noisy and then obviously losing power. Now, another interesting fact to mention here is that the car came in from a different repairer, which has suggested the customer to replace the complete engine. However, that's not the case, because by only replacing the top cams, the top part of the engine should run okay, and we say that because we have done a job previously. Again, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics, where we perform tasks like general servicing to engine rebuilding, as is the case now, and diagnostic and programming at dealer level. OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.